Welcome to the SNADI/SNAT solar channel. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to connect and configure the FT Series 2 kW low-frequency inverter. First, let's take a quick look at the exterior design and build quality of the unit. For this demonstration, we'll be performing the wiring on our professional test bench. Please remember, safety is the top priority, so ensure all safety protocols are followed during your installation. Today, we are demonstrating the connection with a lithium battery. We recommend connecting the power cables first, using the appropriate tools. We are using a 12V lithium battery for this setup. Please pay close attention to the polarity. The red cable is positive, and the black cable is negative. It is critical that these are not reversed. Next, let's connect the load. For this demonstration, we have prepared a high-power industrial fan. Following the same color coding, red for positive and black for negative, simply connect them to the corresponding output terminals one by one. The FT Series inverter features a pure sine wave output and a built-in toroidal transformer, ensuring high efficiency and stability. It supports seamless synergy with lithium batteries via RS-485 communication. This model also comes equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi module. Installation is simple, just attach the included antenna to the dedicated Wi-Fi port. In our upcoming videos, we will do a deep dive into how to use the mobile app for remote monitoring, real-time control, and advanced setting configurations. Once all connections are secure, turn on the battery power supply followed by the inverter's power switch. If the display screen lights up and there is no audible alarm, the connection is successful. Finally, plug in your load securely and switch it on to verify performance. That concludes our wiring demonstration for the FT 2 kW low-frequency inverter. We hope this guide helps you with your installation process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical insights. We'll see you in the next video.